Hello folks at Vintage Machine Made Marbles. I'm gonna do a little live unboxing kind of clip here, and I have three boxes that I've gotten recently on eBay. Actually two on eBay, and then I got another one. It was a really cool deal, so we're gonna showcase what I was intending on showing first, which is a package. I'm gonna try and flip. Hey, how you doing, Frederic? And hello, Richard. Hey, you guys. Let's go. It's the weekend. All right, first up, bam. I have a package here from a Mr. Tim Davidson. Tim's from the Midwest, Kansas. And we worked out a deal I'm super stoked about. I started popping it open, but I thought maybe I'll stop and we'll do this live. So these are actually, I'm gonna just hold the suspense. I've been looking forward to this since I purchased it, and we get to all take a peek. Live, fresh and live. Oh, nice packaging. Tim, well done. I'm not sure if you guys have a clue as to what this is yet. This will totally give away the clue. I came prepared. I have a steak knife and a pair of scissors. And actually, what's sitting there in the background might give you a tip off as to what these will be. Right? I have my Atmosphere collection. So yeah, so these are going to be atmospheres for knifing. I don't want to damage these boxes. They look pretty cool. Hello, Gina. Hey, guys. I can't see if anyone else is here, but hey, Gina's here, so that's all that matters, right? Oh, yeah, this is nice. It's a sweet atmosphere. Typical size. This is one of the dark ones. The nice slow twist, but it's got electric yellow and orange, which really pops off that darker color. I really wanted this one. I mean, I don't have this type, so psyched to get that. Totally mint. That guy. Actually, what Tim sold me was a full bag of atmospheres, and he agreed. We talked about it, that we do a little live feed, because Tim bought 9 full bags of atmospheres. And careful, Stephen Barr. And he's intending on selling 9 more bags. So if you're interested in atmospheres, you can contact him, and maybe you guys can work out a deal. Oh man, look at this one. This had buttery yellow with a nice indigo blue and some burnt mixing colors here. This is, full coverage. This is nice. Another type that I didn't have. That is a good looking marble. Beautiful atmosphere, handmade. These are handmade marbles from the mid to late 90s from Vallarta, Mexico. And yep, they've become collectible. And I don't know what the ceiling is going to be for these, and I don't splurge much. I don't have a ton of money, but every once in a while, if I can get something that I really dig, then I'm going to go for it. Hello, Gina. I can't tell if anyone else is here with this setup, but hope you guys are enjoying this. Oh, it looks like there's 14 folks here. Feel free to say hi in the comments. I can't see the comments. But keep it clean, please. Oh no. Right? Look at that. Marble. It's one of the guineas. These are the most sought after of the atmospheres, and it's got great colors. That powder blue, a darker blue, orange, yellow, red, and a lavender and green. I mean, and that black. It's got every color except white in it that they use normally. I mean, that's got to be 7, 8 colors. That is a piece of work. So 3 atmospheres from Tim Davidson. Contact Tim Davidson if you're interested in atmospheres. He's got 9 more bags. Work it out with him. I paid pretty good. I mean, they weren't free. So, you know, market value. So there we go. 1. We're filling out this box, guys. 1, 2, 3. I've got a full case of Vacor atmospheres. Yay! All right, so I did get a couple other items on eBay. I mean, I just took a stab at a couple things. Nothing big, but it's just kind of fun to, might as well show them, right? So I got recently, last week, a pretty cool, close to 1-inch Cub Scout. Not super easy to find, and a good looking tiger, which is 21-30 seconds. And then I got also in the Marble King department these 3, and here's what happens. So eBay seller, he's selling 3 tigers for $37, right? So what do? I ask how big is the biggest one, because I'm looking for a 1-inch, and I'm still looking for a 1-inch because, you know, he responded, said it's a 1-inch. It's not, though. It's closer to 3/4, which is also difficult to find. But am I going to return it? Oh, it's got a nice pattern on it. No, I'm not going to return it. I'll just keep them. I like them, and I didn't spend a ton on them. So those Marble Kings. I got one other item. Another Marble King that I was looking at. I'm like, I'm sizing it up. And you guys all do this, right? You know the drill. So I'm like, this might be a Batman, a Marble King Batman. Because it looked kind of right to me, which is an obscure Marble King. So it's really not. A Batman should have a red stripe that is paralleled by 2 blue stripes. So I don't know if this really qualifies. It's sort of like a reverse, or it's just a typical rainbow. Actually, I brought out a true black Batman just to show you. And here it is. Got that at the Northeast show last year. So there's a real Batman on the right. And there you see the red surrounded by blue. Here it is there and there. And then this one is not really, it's different. It's still a cool rainbow. Yeah. $13 for it. You know, you win some, you lose some. It's nice here. We got great weather. There's a little shot of the garden again. I don't see any hummingbirds around, but they are around. Got a couple of juveniles and a male, but they'll be leaving soon. I have been working on a very back-to-basics style general how to identify marbles video, which should be pretty helpful for newer collectors. Stay tuned for that upcoming. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and have a great marbling weekend.